good evening. My sincere thanks to Kovai Post for approaching me for this dialogue. I'm extremely happy that Kovai Post has come into existence. We are more and more turning towards the internet for almost everything that we need. And it's time that Coimbatore, which is the forefront of many developments, has its own web portal which is devoted for the news which happens not just locally but nationally and as well as internationally. My very best wishes to this wonderful venture for their future success. I am Dr. Ramamurthy, Chairman of the Eye Foundation, and I have been asked to speak in reference to ophthalmology in Coimbatore. And I think I'm well qualified to do that because my hospitals have been in existence in Coimbatore as well as around for almost 3 decades now. I'm also the past president of Tamil Nadu Ophthalmic Association and the incoming president of the All India Ophthalmic Society, taking over the president of this national body in February 2016. As far as developments in ophthalmology is concerned, almost in every aspect of ophthalmology, many diseases which are hitherto considered to be untreatable are becoming treatable today with excellent results. I would like to briefly dwell upon 2 of the commonest problems, that of cataract as well as refractive errors. As far as cataract is concerned, gone are the days when patients had to wear thick glasses after the surgery. Almost for 2 decades we have been using intraocular lenses. And today it's not just phacoemulsification through a small 2.2 millimeters incisions, but we are using laser to take care of cataracts, bringing in a lot of precision, accuracy and repeatability and control so that we can promise patients exactly what they want, as well as making them function quite comfortably without the need of any glasses for almost all distances, distance near and reading. So even an 80-year-old undergoing cataract surgery today can have clear vision for almost all distances, provided his or her eye is quite normal in all other respects. And there's no need for any injections. We do it just with drops, as well as there's hardly any hospitalization. Almost the next day they can return back to all their normal activities. All we restrict them is from splashing water in the eyes for 1 week, but apart from that there's hardly any restriction. And if both eye surgery is needed, it's just done 1 eye 1 week apart. Since I have limited time, I would like to pass on to the next aspect that I need to deal with, that's of refractive errors. And apart from prescribing glasses and contact lenses, we at the Eye Foundation have been doing refractive surgery for almost 2 decades now. That's right from 1997. A lot of developments have taken place in this field, and today we have a clutch of different options available, and we pick and choose what's best for each patient depending upon the type of refractive error that they come to us with and also their affordability. We have surface ablations, we have LASIK procedure using something called a femto-LASIK, and as well as a very advanced procedure called SMILE, where we don't even create flap on the eye but directly create a lenticule using the femtosecond laser and remove it just through a 2 millimeter lenticule, small opening. And these patients can again go back to almost all their activities from the next day, and it's done in both eyes at the same time if both eyes require it. And for extremes of refractive error, we have something called the implantable contact lens, where we can implant a lens inside the eye in front of the normal lens, so that which takes care of the refractive error almost in toto. And sometimes we also combine these procedures so as to handle extremes of refractive error, say a -20 or a -24 diopters also. Suffice it to say that ophthalmology, both in the world, and I am happy to say that almost every state-of-the-art treatment that's available in the best of facilities abroad is available in Coimbatore today, and we can get rid of cataracts as well as treat refractive errors in a permanent, reliable manner, and sometimes also in a very cost-effective manner for the benefit of the populations of this area. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.